Good afternoon. So a very quick video on how to and where to find the horns on a classic koala nose, whatever you want to call them, Model S. The horns are in a ridiculous place. So they're there and there. Now the reason I wanted to get to them is because they were basically blowing bubbles after I went through a flood. Not a high flood, but the horns are very, very low, so they decided to drink the water. So what you have to do to get to them, apart from taking the bumper off, because you can't pull them out from the back because they are inside this box. So to get to the front of the box, you need to remove the spongy crash bar piece, and then you want to take off this bottom plastic bumper support, basically. Unplug your radar. Don't forget your little temperature sensor there. So that is separate to that, but that is all one piece. So 10's easy to get off from there, and there's a couple hidden up underneath there. Where is it? And there, well, you get the idea. They're in line with the radar. And to get this off, basically it's clipped on. So try not to do it at 3-degree temperature like I have done, because these little clippy things can snap off. Right, so you just basically pop those up, and then working and wiggling, all this comes off. Do it carefully, because so you've got a radiator in there, there's clips along the bottom. So with that out of the way, and radar out of the way, and this out of the way, you get to the radiator. Now I haven't taken it off or disconnected it from the hoses. It basically will just lean forwards enough for you to then get inside said box from the front, and then you can basically push the horns forward, undo them, obviously a couple of 10's, again it's American so it's all 10's and 13's, and then basically slide them out. You can tip this forwards and slide them out that gap. It is big enough, but obviously go careful. While you're in there, clean your side radiators out. I know Bjorn did a video on servicing the Millennium Falcon, so this car has got 115,000 miles on it now, and it lives in Devon in the southwest of England, where they don't tend to put tarmac on the road, they just put mud on the roads, and it was absolutely caked with huge amounts of mud. That's probably about a quarter of what I've got out of just one side, completely blocked. Don't know how long it's been blocked, don't know whether it's because of the recent flood, but it was blocked. So horns are easy to take apart. Basically take the front and the back off, tip the cup full of water out that was inside them, and then, as they say in all the best videos, putting it back together is the reverse of what you've done. So hope that's useful. Say the horns are in a stupid place. You cannot do it any other way. You can't get them out from the back of that box. You have to take off most of the front of the car. Anybody would think it was an Audi to actually get to them. Clean them out, plug them back in. Job's a good one. Okay, cheers.